There is no easier or a more stunning way to grow tropical plants than hydroponically. There was just no way to do it other than these things. Well, there is now, and it's called the Plantdaddygro. These contemporary, fully equipped, easy to use and clean grow machines are available in 4 gorgeous colors: Aurora Green, Copper, Neptune Blue, and this week's feature, Silver. Silver represents wealth and success. The bubbles are so soothing, they're actually nurturing the plant and us. They cause the most unbelievable root formations, turning this thing into living art. And don't forget, this thing's actually making oxygen and filtering the air for us. It's your living lava lamp. Did you know that 98% of plant failure is due to your improper watering? And what about those nasty bugs and gnats? The Plantdaddygro takes care of all those watering issues, and 98% of those bug problems gone because we don't have any soil. You can even go on vacation knowing that your plants are going to be just fine. The Plantdaddygro offers all 3 ways that I grow hydroponically with its interchangeable parts. The open collar allows us to do simple plant suspensions like this gorgeous Radican Luxurian. The crib drops nicely right into the collar, and this allows me to build those stunning hydro gardens and put plants together that I can never do in soil due to the different watering needs. In hydro, they all get along just fine. Your system also comes with a set of reducer plates which act like my plant cradles, and what these do is reduce the size of the opening of the cylinder. See how these reducer plates hold this cane plant vertical, nice and centered in the cylinder? And these holes allow me to add accent plants, creating a real masterpiece. You're gonna get a list of all the hydro plants that I use and how to prepare them. Guys, this stuff is so easy. I change my water in my systems about every 2 weeks, and I feed my plants every 6 weeks with my Jungle Juice plant food, and this is included with the system. Now's the good stuff. You ready to see how easy this thing is to clean? My biggest problem with my previous system was, what do you do with this crib when you clean your system? Now, you want to protect your masterpiece, so I suppose we could hang it, but from where? Then I told you to put a hole in a bucket lid and put your crib in there, and this is about awkward and tacky. So I came up with this. Disconnect your air line, set your overhead light aside. You ready for this? You just pick up your crib. Ta-da! What a game changer. You got your own plant stand. That is brilliant. Now you can carefully dump your cylinder, wash, fill your cylinder to about 3 inches from the top. I use distilled, reverse osmosis, or at the very least, make sure it's filtered water. Now it's time to clean the crib and the plant, and would you look at how freaking amazing that thing is. It just stands right there in your sink. It comes with a soft bristle brush. This is the only thing we're gonna use on the parts with no cleaning agents, just water. If you have any algae, this brush will take it right off. Just make sure before you put this crib back into that cylinder of clean water that you give it a very good thorough rinse and get all that loose debris out from that crib. Have I mentioned to you how much I love this damn plant stand? Now we're just gonna lower the plant back into the cylinder, reattach your air line, add your light. Now I'm gonna bring my water line up to just the bottom of the collar, and you are done. Literally, what'd that take? 5 minutes? Now you may have a little bit of debris in your water, but don't worry, that's gonna dissolve and disappear. Your light timers and controllers are located right here on the back of the unit. Now I run my base light at 12 hours a day, my overhead light at 16 hours a day. And if you noticed, there's only 1 cord coming out of the back of this unit. The Plantdaddygro is for indoor use only, and never place your system in direct sun or in areas of high heat. When you order your system, there's only 2 options, one being the color, and the second is with or without the overhead light. Now, hydro plants can grow in just average light, but with the optional overhead light, you literally can put this system in any room with no windows. It's fully self-contained. This thing is gonna make you look like the rock star of the plant world. It is the easiest, cleanest, most enjoyable way to grow plants, period. And trust me, I do this for a living. And if you have any questions or need guidance, I'm right here. You get your own personal hydro coach with every system. The holidays are here, guys. Order your Plantdaddygro system today, guys, and join me on this crazy, fun, fun, so easy hydroponic plant journey. Make sure you take advantage of our 10% pre-order discount. Thanks for being here, and join me next week when I feature the color copper.